Coming to the next prime activity of RBI is banker to the banks. Like individual consumers, businesses and organizations of all the kinds, banks need their own mechanism to transfer funds and settle interbank transactions such as borrowing from and lending to other banks, customer transactions. In effect, all banks operating in the country have accounts with the Reserve Bank, just as individuals and businesses have accounts with their banks. The approach must be enabling smooth, swift, and seamless clearing and settlement of interbank obligations, providing an efficient means of funds transfer for banks, enabling banks to maintain their accounts with RBI for purpose of statutory reserve requirements and maintain transaction balances, acting as lender of the last resort.
Ma'am, please explain me the last point.
Okay, Vidya. I will explain this in next topic, that is tools of banker to bankers. Now, here the Reserve Bank provides products and services for the nation's banks, similar to what banks offer their own customers. The details are as follows. Non-interest earning current accounts. Banks hold accounts with the Reserve Bank based on certain terms and conditions, such as maintenance of minimum balances. They can hold accounts at each of the regional offices. Banks draw on these accounts to settle their obligations arising from interbank settlement systems. Banks can electronically transfer payments to other banks from this account using the Real-Time Gross Settlement System or RTGS. Deposit Accounts Department. This department's computerized central monitoring system helps banks manage their funds position in real time to maintain the optimum balance between surplus and deficit centers. Remittance facilities. Banks and government departments can use these facilities to transfer funds. Lender of the last resort. The Reserve Bank provides liquidity to the banks unable to raise short-term liquid resources from the interbank market. Like other central banks, the Reserve Bank considers this a critical function because it protects the interests of the depositors, which in turn has a stabilizing impact on the financial system and on the economy as a whole. Loans and advances. The Reserve Bank provides short-term loans and advances to banks or financial institutions when necessary to facilitate lending for specified purposes.